my name is Linda and I work at the Palm Springs Animal Shelter. And today we're going to do a couple dog enrichment toys ideas for you to do at home. The first is with paper towel rolls, and we're going to make little containers for dogs to get treats from. And then the second is using the Kongs, and we'll show you how to fill them up so you can give it to any dog you choose. So first we're going to start with the paper towel rolls. So what you want to do first is just close one end of the paper towel roll down, like that. And then just put in your dog's favorite treats. So here we have some biscuits. You can break them up if you choose. And just stuff it in. And then just close the other end, like that. And there's a simple toy that could be an activity for your dog. They can roll it around, sniff out where the treats are, and take their time to try to take out the treats. So next we're gonna fill up one of our Kongs. Make sure to keep in mind any special diets or allergies so you know what foods to avoid for whichever dog you're making a Kong for. We're gonna start with the peanut butter, just to close up the hole at the bottom, and then we'll stuff it with layers of different food items. So you can choose different things. Here we have a pumpkin puree, we have some meat pieces, some treats, and like chicken pieces. So you can